Welcome to this technical guide on the DELL Vostro 5000. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop has been feeling dead slow, you're not alone. This is a common issue caused by insufficient RAM, which can lead to frustratingly long load times and unresponsive applications. If left unaddressed, it may hinder your productivity and could even lead to more serious performance issues down the line. To resolve this, we'll be upgrading the RAM in your DELL Vostro 5000, which should greatly enhance its speed and efficiency. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and of course, the new RAM sticks compatible with your laptop model. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered down and unplugged. It's also a good idea to remove the battery if your model allows for it. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep them safe, as you will need them later. Gently lift the back panel off, taking care not to force it, as this could damage the clips holding it in place. Now, locate the RAM slots, which are usually near the center of the motherboard. If you see one or more RAM sticks already in place, take note of how they are seated. To remove a stick, gently press the clips on either side of the RAM module until it pops up at an angle. Be cautious at this stage, avoid touching any of the other components nearby to prevent accidental damage. Once the old RAM is out, take your new RAM stick and align it with the slot, ensuring the notch on the RAM matches the bump in the slot. Insert it at an angle and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Repeat this for any additional RAM sticks if you're upgrading more than one. After replacing the RAM, carefully reattach the back panel of the laptop, ensuring that all clips are secure and that you replace all screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, connect the power and turn on your laptop. You should notice a significant improvement in speed and responsiveness. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider monitoring your laptop's performance regularly and upgrading RAM again if you begin to notice slowdowns. Keeping your operating system and applications up to date can also help ensure efficient memory usage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.